All right, so can you freeze tomatoes? Yes, you can freeze tomatoes. Here's how you do it. First, wash the tomatoes and remove the stems, okay? If you want, you can peel them by making a small X on the bottom of each tomato, boiling them for 30 seconds, and then placing them into ice water, okay? Okay. Then the skin will come off easily after that, but you can freeze them too with the skins on them too, okay? Next is to cut the tomatoes into halves and quarters, or leave them whole if you like. Place the tomatoes in a single layer of baking on a baking sheet and freeze them for about a few hours. Okay, this keeps them from sticking together. Okay, so once they're frozen solid, transfer them into a freezer-safe bag or container, and be sure to label the bag with the date so that you know how long they've been frozen for. You can keep frozen tomatoes for about a year. Okay, so when you're ready to use them, you don't need to thaw them. Just add them straight to soups, sauces, stews. They'll be softer after freezing, so they're great for cooked dishes. All right, make a good sauce with that.